Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're back to look at another funky Discord Easter egg that is somewhere on the rate limits documentation page for Discord's API. So if we search for this little blurb here, then it says down here, note that the normal route rate limiting headers will also be sent in this response. The rate limiting response will look something like the following. And instead of paying attention to whatever this is down here, this colon here is actually a link that takes us to another website. And where does that take us? Oh, to a rocket that shows that we have been rate limited for approximately however many seconds. And when we click on it, it plays music. Okay, well, that's not exactly the music that I was necessarily expecting, but that's kind of cool at the same time. So you can just check out this neon cat that's going wild here, flying up into space, being rate limited. And then you can toggle to neon cat mode, which is just regular neon cat versus the rocket cat. So that's kind of fun. And it plays music. So yeah, I mean, I dig that. It's a very innocuous, random, hidden Easter egg on Discord's website, but, you know, it's better than ones that are, like, crazy and break things. And it's sort of just silly, so I like that. You can also toggle if it's light or dark themed. Although, the light theme absolutely destroys my soul and my eyeballs. So let's go ahead and turn that off. But yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed this look at the rate limit exceeding Easter egg. And I will catch you next time. And if you're interested, I will put the instructions on how to recreate or find this in the video description below, along with a link to this website so you can check it out for yourselves. Until next time, I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Bye.